Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin and Hyaluronic Acid Serum review. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that skin benefits of alpha arbutin. The ultimate skin benefit of alpha arbutin is to reduce melanin production. That way it relatively depigment the skin, which helps addresses the issues of hyperpigmentation such as dark spots, brown spots, acne scars, sunspots and uneven skin tone. The ordinary alpha arbutin serum contains 2% alpha arbutin and hyaluronic acid. So now I'm saying that what's hyaluronic acid's benefits to the skin. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant. It's called to the moisture magnet. It pulls moisture from the atmosphere into the skin to keep it optimally moisturized, hydrated and supple. Now I'm saying that the packaging. The ordinary alpha arbutin serum comes in a transparent glass bottle with a dropper to dispense product content, with the lid tightly closed to avoid spillage. The serum has been packaged in its pack. The packaging is simple, no fanciness. And the ordinary alpha arbutin serum has a gel-like texture and bit thick in consistency, just like hyaluronic acid serum, and spreads effortlessly on the skin. This serum is colorless and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a residue. The ordinary alpha arbutin serum is also very hydrating and soothing when applied on the skin, all thanks to its hyaluronic acid content, which hydrates the skin, which makes this serum suitable for all skin types, but more ideal for dry skin. And the ordinary alpha arbutin serum comes in a 30 ml in size. So now I'm saying that what I like about the ordinary alpha arbutin serum. Faded hyperpigmentation. Although it took 2 weeks and some days before I could see positive results, but the main thing was that it worked. It faded dark spots on my cheeks, and that's all that matters. Absorbs quickly. The texture is a bit thick, but it absorbs almost instantly when applied on the skin with a clean finish without leaving any residue behind. Spreads easily. Despite its thick consistency, yet it still spreads effortlessly on the skin with little or no added effort. Fragrance free. The ordinary 2% alpha arbutin plus hyaluronic acid serum is 100% fragrance free, which lowers the possible occurrence of irritations, as fragrance has been linked to causing irritations, especially to individuals with sensitive skin. Not only that, this serum is also alcohol free, silicone free, gluten free, cruelty free and vegan. It's oil free. For the fact that the ordinary alpha arbutin serum is oil free makes me love it even more. You know why? I have an oily skin, and for that fact I don't really like using skincare products with much oils. In fact, I prefer oil free formulas. Just like the rest of the ordinary skincare products, this serum is ridiculously cheap and affordable compared to other alpha arbutin serums on the market, and you know what? It still delivers results. And all thanks to hyaluronic acid, a moisture magnet that draws and retains moisture into the skin to keep it hydrated and plump. This serum will never dry out your skin. And before you use this product, patch test is needed. Thanks for watching this video.